Good morning everyone. This is Devi, lecturer in electronics, Department of Electronics from MBA and JSN RBR Degree College, Malkipuram. Today in this video lecture I will presenting instruction set of a 8085 microprocessor. Okay, let's see what is the instruction set of Intel 8085 microprocessor. Before going to the instruction set of microprocessor, let us understand what is an instruction. So, in general terms, instruction is nothing but a detailed information about something that should be done or to be operated. So, in our microprocessors, instruction is a command given to the computer to perform a specific operation on a given data is nothing but a instruction. So, what is the instruction set? The instruction set of a microprocessor is the collection of instructions that the microprocessor is designed to execute. So, this is nothing but instruction set of a microprocessor. Total, these instructions have been classified into 5 groups. First one is data transfer group, second one arithmetic group, third one logical group, and fourth one branch control group, and fifth one input or output and mission control group. These are the 5 groups in instruction set of a Intel 8085 microprocessor. Let us see one by one about it. So first, data transfer group instructions. So the name in itself, data transfer, means which are used to transfer the data from one place to another. So let's see, data transfer instructions which are used to transfer the data from one register to another register or from memory to register or register to memory comes under this group. So the examples are, so data transfer group instructions comes under this group. So what is that? Move. MVI. MVI means move immediate. So LDA means load the contents of accumulator. STA means store the accumulator. So these are comes under data transfer group instructions. So let us see example briefly. When an instruction of data transfer group is executed, data is transferred from source to destination without altering the contents of a source. We already discussed in addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. For example, when move A, B is executed, so the process is how the data is transferred means the content of register B is copied into register A, or the content of register B is transferred into register A, but the content of the register B remains unaltered. For example, if B have a content 07, B have a content 07, if I giving move A, B instruction, that B have 07, that data is moved into A. That means A contains now 07, but B is also have 07. B is remains unaltered. It means next, similarly, when LTA 2500 is executed, the content of memory location 2500 is loaded into accumulator. Whatever the content stored in the 2500 memory location, that is directly loaded into the accumulator, but the content of the memory location 2500 H data is remains unaltered. So it's remain unchanged. So this is about data transfer group instruction. It means the data is moved from one source to another. That means one source to destination. Here move A, B is an example. Here B is the source and A is the destination. So this is about data transfer group instructions. Next, arithmetic group instruction. So the instructions of this group perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, increment, decrement of the content of a register or a memory. So arithmetic group instructions examples: addition, subtraction, increment, etc. These are comes under arithmetic group. So next, logical group. The instructions under this group perform logical operations such as AND, OR, compare, rotate, etc. So examples are, we already know the logical operations: AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, and rotate operation, these are comes under logical group. The examples are here ANA. ANA means AND with accumulator. XOR means XOR with accumulator. And ORA means logical OR with accumulator. And CMP means complement, and RAL means rotate accumulator left. These are logical group. Next, branch control group. This group includes the instructions for conditional and unconditional jump, and subroutine call and return and restart instructions are comes under this group. Examples are jump, jump if carry, JZ means jump if 0, and call instructions, CZ reset instructions. These are comes under branch control group. So next, input or output and mission control group. This group includes the instructions for input or output ports and stack and mission control groups. For example, input, output, push, pop, and HLT means halt instruction. These are comes under mission control groups. So let's see some more examples in data transfer group. So some more examples of data transfer group is, first one, move R1, R2. Here R2 is the source and R1 is the destination. The operation we are giving here is move. Move the data R2 into R1. So in briefly, move the content of register R2 register into R1. Okay. Next, move R, M. Here M means memory. So move the content of memory into register. So the contents whatever the stored in memory, that is directly moved into register R. So next, move M, R. Here source is register and destination is memory. So whatever the content is present in the register, that is directly moved or directly transferred into memory. So this is some more examples. For example, LHLD means, here ninth one, LHLD address. So load HL pair direct. LHLD means load HL pair direct. Okay. Next, SHLD means store HL pair direct. So these are some of the data transfer group example. You go through this. And XCHG means exchange the contents of HL with DE pair. We are giving exchange instruction, which is nothing but the exchange the contents of HL pair with DE pair. Whatever the content stored in the DE pair, that is directly exchanged with HL pair. This is about exchange. So you can go through all these data transfer group instruction. I will share you PDF. So next, arithmetic group. Arithmetic group are comes under addition, subtraction, increment, decrement operation. So for example, first one, let's see, add R. Add R means here we are not giving any destination. We are giving source. But how it can go means, add R means add register to accumulator. If arithmetic and logical operations all are performing and stored into accumulator. So directly it is here the destination is automatically accumulator. So if we are giving add R, here R is the source and accumulator is the destination. So add register to accumulator and it is stored in accumulator. Okay. If you are giving add R instruction, it is directly added to accumulator, and whatever the content is stored in the accumulator and register, that two will be add up and the result will also be stored in accumulator. Okay. Next, add M. This is also same. Add memory to accumulator. So whatever the content is stored into the memory, that memory is added with accumulator and the result will be stored into the accumulator. So this is some arithmetic group examples. So ADCR means add register with carry to accumulator. So along with carry it will be add. So sub R means 8th one. Sub R means subtract register from accumulator. So sub M means subtract memory from accumulator. Here 14th one INR means increment register content. INRM means increment memory content. So DCR means decrement register content. So here INR and INX has somewhat difference. So here INX increment register pair and DCX means decrement register pair. Here we are giving INX RP. So in 14th one INRR. INRR means increment register to content and INX RP means here RP means register pair. Okay, the register pairs are HLR, BC or DE, whatever. So these are some of the arithmetic groups. Next we see logical groups. Here logical groups, AND operation, OR operation, complement, compare, these all are comes under this logical group. And let's see some of the examples. Here ANAR means AND register with accumulator. And register with accumulator. I already told you in previous slide, all arithmetic and logical operation result will be stored in accumulator. Here source is the register and destination is the accumulator. So and register with accumulator means register R and accumulator performing AND operation. So following OR operation and XOR operation, all this comes under this logical group and same process will be done in this group. Here CMA means complement the accumulator. Next CMC means complement the carry. STC means set the carry. Next CMP means compare. Here somewhat difference between CMA and CMP. Here don't get confused, CMA means complement and CMP means compare. So these are some of the examples of logical group. So next RLC and rotate instructions are also comes under this logical group. Here RLC means rotate accumulator left. Here RLC means rotate accumulator left without carry. So here brief explanation. See, the content of the accumulator is rotated left by one bit. So the 7th bit of the accumulator is moved to carry bit as well as the 0 bit of the accumulator. Here 7th bit means MSB bit and 0th bit means LSB bit. Okay na? Next RRC. Here RRC means rotate accumulator right. So here the content of the accumulator is rotated right by 1 bit. Here same, the 0 bit of the accumulator is moved to 7 bit. This is nothing but MSB as well as the carry bit. Next RAL means rotate accumulator left through carry and RAR means rotate accumulator right through carry. These are comes under this logical group. Let's see example about RLC, RRC and RAL and RAR. First let's see RAL instructions and RAR instructions. So here first we see we are giving register contents before execution. Here we are giving accumulator data 1110 0001. Here we are giving RLA instruction means it is rotate left by 1 bit and the carry bit is moved to LSB. Okay, the MSB bit is moved to carry bit. Okay, let's see RAR. In RAR, rotate right instruction is done. Rotate right 1 by 1. So here we are giving same example 111 00 001. Rotate right means here LSB is moved to carry bit and a carry bit is moved to MSB. So next RLC. So here RLC we are giving 0110 1011. So here same again rotate left operation. So but in this carry also there is no affection of carry. Here MSB bit is moved directly into LSB and MSB bit is moved into carry flag. But there is no rotation of carry flag here. Next RRC means here rotate right. So Again same process. The LSB bit is moved to carry bit and LSB bit is moved to MSB bit. Here no carry rotation is done in this RLC and RRC. So these are the some of the examples in logical group instructions. Next, branch group instruction. Branch group instructions comes under jump, call, return instruction. So jump address means unconditional jump. Jump to instruction specified by address. We are giving jump some address that will be moved to that instruction only. So jump means unconditional jump and conditional jump. There are two types of conditional jumps. So next, jump JZ means jump if the result is 0. If we are getting the result is 0, jump to some address. So JNZ means jump if the result is not 0. If the result is not 0, it is jumped into some of the address location. Next, JC means jump if there is a carry. And JNC means jump if there is no carry. So these are some of the branch group instructions. Here RET means return from subroutine. So call, unconditional call. So these are some of the branch group instructions. So this is very important in unit 3 programming part. So let's see all one by one briefly about it. So next, stack, input, output and mission control group. Here there is a ports, input out address, output address, push RP means here push the content of register pair to stack, and push PSW means push processor status word. Pop RP means pop the content of register pair which was saved from the stack, and HLT means halt, and XTHL means exchange stack top with HL. So SPHL means move the contents of HL pair to stack pointer, and EI means enable interrupts, and DI means disable interrupts, and SIM means set interrupt mask, and RIM means read interrupt mask. NOP means no operation. These all comes under stack, input or output and mission control group. So thank you.